So we have heard this men will be men. What does men will be men mean according to you?
Men's are dog and everything.
मेरे को उनका ये बात समझ नहीं आता है कि मैन विल बी मैन ये क्या है.
Dogs will be dogs.
What's up?
वेलकम टू द मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग शो ऑन यूट्यूब स्ट्रीट फ्लिक्स और मैं आपका होस्ट अविन लेके आ गया आज एक नया एपिसोड मेन विल बी मेन. यार ये मेन विल बी मेन का मतलब क्या होता है? Why do girls say men will be men in a negative sense? So what is the meaning of men will be men according to you?
Men will be men
हाँ,
because
क्या?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि men will be men but actually बोलते हैं ना कुत्ता कुत्ता ही रहेगा तो वही लाइन
कुत्ता ही रहेगा.
Men will be men as in, look, I have a best friend who is a guy, okay? So it's like, if I tell him something, he'll be like, नहीं यही होना है. And I know the answer beforehand only कि मैं इसको बोलने वाली हूँ but यही मुझे answer देने वाला है. So that is what is men will be men. But then in women also will be women.
That is the best description given to men. Like we always describe that men's are dog and everything. But if you want to insult a man, that is the biggest thing. That if you call a man,
insult than a dog.
yes, yes.
They will always go after the girls that they will always watch porn and stuff. This you can never
But I don't find
change.
something wrong in that. Girls, because it makes their identity. Like how can men be a girl? I'm a girl. There are my preferences, my choices. So men can be a man.
And they will always be less faithful as compared to girls.
मेरे को उनका ये बात समझ नहीं आता है कि मैन विल बी मैन ये क्या है.
क्या है ये?
ये लॉजिक इसका है कि नॉर्मल मैन है मतलब जो बंदे हैं वो लड़कियों को अच्छे से ट्रीट करते हैं. फिर भी अगर ब्रेकअप हो तो ठीक है मतलब अगर जब तक कमिटेड है तब तक तो बहुत अच्छा है. जानू बेबी हेलो सब रहता है. लेकिन ब्रेकअप के बाद मैन विल बी मैन छोड़ दिया है ना गलती किसकी है ये नहीं देखेंगे.
कुत्ता कुत्ता ही रहेगा. कुत्ते की पूंछ कभी सीधी नहीं होगी
सीधी नहीं होती कुत्ते की.
तो वही लड़कों के साथ होता है चाहे कितना भी हो वो लोग इधर उल्टी भी रहेगी
उनकी पूंछ सीधा नहीं होती.
भाई कभी नहीं.
No, I don't think that's appropriate. Like I believe in equality and all that. Like feminism and all that is not my kind of thing. Men and women always equal thing, equal rights and equal everything. Men will be men, yes. Women will be also women.
They have that male ego in them.
They have their male ego, they have their male habits which they'll never change.
बट स्टिल हाँ कुछ यूनिक होते हैं जो बहुत अच्छे होते हैं.
बहुत अच्छे होते हैं लेकिन ज्यादातर ही
हाँ ज़्यादा तो कुत्ते ही होते हैं.
men will be men होते हैं.
हाँ dogs will be dogs.
What do men exactly do that you have to say men will be men?
There are many things. I mean, there are endless things. I recently broke up and the reason was he was a man and he was being a man. He did not
And he's
see
still
the
a man.
And he's still a man. He doesn't see my perspective as you call it. He's like so much engrossed in himself. He doesn't see what is going on the other side.
So
Because it is their personal identity. You're right.
That is why the thing is men will be men, right?
Men should be men, I feel, because that is
okay,
if it's
she
not
feels men should be men.
that doesn't make a difference. But in some cases, like they are being always like no, they dominate the girl. But it's not the same case in every way, right?
नहीं मैं बताती हूँ क्या करते हैं वो लोग. हाय दिस इज फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज ऋषभ. अच्छा यू आर देयर इन व्हाट्सएप. मतलब साला यार व्हाट्सएप में नहीं होंगे.
देख लिया तो व्हाट्सएप.
स्मार्टफोन है मेरे को ना तुम पे क्रश आ गया. हाँ स्मार्टफोन है व्हाट्सएप में नहीं रहेंगे. कितनी घटिया क्वेश्चन होती है उनकी.
They are egoistic. They are over possessive. Anything when it comes to girls, they become a bit subtle. They don't want to change. They want to change us.
They don't do anything.
Just like their men will be men.
They have to propose for marriage.
They have to propose for
Yes. Girls can't do it first.
men. Girls can't do it first.
No, at least I
But
won't
you were
do it.
talking about equality right now.
No, but I feel shy about that.
You feel shy about
yeah,
it.
I feel
But a
shy.
man can also feel shy about that.
Yes.
Then
Things that I will understand exactly what he says, but then he's not like trying to make me understand. He's like समझ लेगी ये खुद ब खुद मेरे को समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है. That is what he's doing.
तो समझ जाएगी, सब समझ जाएगी.
हाँ.
तो दोस्तों उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये एपिसोड अच्छा लगा. अगले हफ्ते एक और एपिसोड लेके मैं आऊँगा. तो आपको कुछ कहना है तो कमेंट बॉक्स पे कमेंट कीजिए और ये वीडियो लाइक कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. तब तक चलिए मिलते हैं. See you next time. Bye.
Hit the red subscribe button below and then press the bell icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. And never miss to say what's up.
A man can be destroyed, but not defeated. Now save Men Will Be Men. Watch our new series Men Will Be Men every Friday only here. And keep streaming.
What's up?